Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be taking you through my evening study session while also giving you a detailed walkthrough of the batch I am currently enrolled in. So let's get started. The evening started around 5 p.m. and the first thing I did was make a simple to-do list just to get some clarity before studying. Once that was done, I started working through it one task at a time. I focused on vocabulary. There was a lot to cover, idioms, phrasal verbs and more, but instead of trying to do everything, I decided to stick with one word substitution. The idea was simple: finish one thing properly today and move to the rest later. In the CUET language paper, vocabulary plays a crucial role, whether it's one-word substitution, idioms, or word meanings. A strong vocabulary directly improves accuracy and confidence. After wrapping up vocabulary, I moved on to general awareness because revising it daily is non-negotiable for CUET. Today's focus was general knowledge and my target was very clear, from page 23rd to page 31. I skipped the practice questions for now as the priority was to complete the leftover theory properly and stay on track with my revision. In the CUET general test, general awareness and general knowledge hold significant weight because they test how aware you are beyond textbooks. Unlike aptitude, this section depends largely on consistent revision rather than shortcuts. A strong grip on general knowledge not only boosts your score but also saves time, making it one of the most reliable and scoring areas of the GT paper. After completing the general knowledge, I moved on to current affairs because they are just as important for the CUET general test. Daily revision here really matters. It keeps the fact fresh and builds consistency over time. I wrap up my current affairs session by around 9:30, staying focused on accuracy rather than rushing through the content. In between, I want to quickly show you the batch I am currently using, which is the Ambition Ultimate 2026 batch from ADA 24/7 with a validity of 6 months. When you open the batch, the first page is neatly divided into 3 sections: live classes, test series, and ebooks. Just below that, there's a weekly schedule section which clearly shows that what subject and classes are planned for the entire week. This weekly layout really helps in staying organized and ensures that no live classes is missed. Further down, there is a dedicated section for ongoing live classes along with their schedule timings, giving a clear picture of what's happening and what's coming next. Further down, there's the main subject section. For language, it includes Hindi and English. For the general test, there are static GK, current affairs, quantitative aptitude, and logical reasoning. And for domain subjects, the batch covers economics, history, political science, and geography. When you open the language section, all the topics are arranged one after another, making it easy to follow and revise systematically. The same structure continues in the GT section. Reasoning chapters are clearly organized and easy to access. Even in the domain subject like history, every chapter is properly placed, which really helps in maintaining consistency and avoiding confusion during preparation. In this batch, you have the flexibility to attend classes live, and if you ever miss a session, the recorded lectures are always available. Each recorded class comes with proper lecture notes, DPPs, daily practice papers, so nothing is left incomplete. This applies to every subject and every chapter, which makes the learning process structured and easy to revise at your own pace. After the subject section, the next important part is the test series section. Here the batch provides 3 types of tests. The full mock tests are meant to be attempted after completing around 80% of the syllabus, so I haven't started those yet. Next come the batch tests, which follow the CBT pattern and help in building real exam temperament from home. The third section is the chapter-wise test, which I am currently focusing on. Each chapter-wise test include 25 questions with a 30-minute time limit, and after submission, you receive a detailed analysis showing your score, accuracy, attempt and unattempt questions, complete solution, and even your rank. After the test section, the third major part of the batch is the ebook section, which I personally find very useful. In the GT section, they provide 1 ebook for quantitative aptitude, 2 for reasoning, and 1 for general awareness. For the language paper, there's a dedicated English ebook, and for domain subject, ebooks are available for economics, history, geography, and political science, making it a total of 9 ebooks overall. If I go specifically into the quantitative aptitude ebook, all the chapters are listed carefully in the index and arranged in a very systematic order. Each chapter starts with the theory followed by practice questions to apply the concept. After that, detailed solutions are provided, which helps in understanding mistake and improving accuracy over time. After this, I moved on to the reasoning section of the GT. All the chapters are clearly listed in the index and are properly organized. Each chapter starts with the theory followed by example to build clarity and then practice questions. Just like quantitative aptitude, detailed solutions are provided which helps in understanding mistake and improving accuracy. After wrapping the reasoning section of GT, I moved ahead to the general awareness ebook. This ebook is divided into three clear sections: general knowledge, general science, and general studies. Each section begins with theory followed by practice questions and then detailed solution for better understanding. Along with this, they also provide 5 practice sets and 5 sets of previous year questions. All of this is structured according to syllabus, making revision systematic and much easier to manage. Now coming to the language ebook, which is the English ebook. In this batch, all the topics are placed properly so it's easy to find whatever you want to study. The vocabulary section includes idioms, one-word substitutions, synonyms and antonyms and many more all in one place. There's also a separate section for reading which helps in preparing that part specifically. Along with this, they also provide 5 practice sets and 5 sets of previous year questions just like the general awareness ebook. Next is the domain section ebooks. There are 4 of them and all follow the same pattern. Let me show you using the economics ebook as an example. In the index, all the chapters are placed one after another, making it easy to follow. For each chapter, they first provide the theory, then practice questions, and after that, the solutions. Once all chapters are completed, the ebook also provides 5 practice papers and 5 sets of previous year questions. The same structure is followed for all the domain subject in the batch. Talking about the faculty, all the teachers in this batch are really good. Personally, I liked Rebecca ma'am for English and Amit sir for reasoning and quant. Coming to the price, the batch originally cost 6,848, but after using a coupon code, I got it for around 4,725, which is roughly a 31% discount. At this price point, I genuinely feel the batch offers good value. Coming back to my studies, I was done with vocabulary, current affairs, and static GK from my to-do list. With those 3 tasks completed, I moved on to the reasoning section. I decided to start distance and direction chapter by Amit sir, which included 2 lectures, one of 45 minutes and the other of 48 minutes. Reasoning in the CUET general test is very important because it tests logic and thinking ability. Personally, I really enjoy reasoning. It's a section where I don't need to study a lot. Once the concepts are clear, I feel confident solving almost any questions. After completing both the lectures, I moved on to the daily practice paper. It had 25 questions of the distance and direction chapter, which I planned to solve one by one. Before starting, I took a short break and had some chocolate to refresh myself. After that short break, I went back to the practice paper and started doing all 25 questions step by step. In CUET, practice matters more than just studying theory. Regular question solving is what actually improves speed, accuracy, and final scores. With this session, I completed my reasoning section along with the DPP and practice question, which covered the 4 tasks on my to-do list. I couldn't complete the 5th task quant because I was dealing with back pain and had to stop. I did feel a little bad about it, but completing 4 out of 5 tasks is still a win. Not every day is perfect, and sometimes listening to your body is also a part of staying consistent. Thank you for watching. Stay consistent, stay motivated. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.